Hello everyone, my name is Tony Vetter and I'm on the tech marketing team here at Pivotal. In this video, I'm going to walk through setting up a spike arrest policy on Apigee Edge using the Apigee Edge service broker for Pivotal Application Service. To set this up, I'm going to assume you already have the service broker enabled in your marketplace and an Apigee Edge account already created. So with that, let's get started. The first step in creating our spike arrest policy is to first create the API endpoint. To do this, we're going to go to the Apigee Edge dashboard and click on Plus Proxy. Then we're going to select Reverse Proxy and click Next. And then we're going to give our reverse proxy a name. I'm going to call this Rate Limiting Demo. And we're going to give it a base path of v1/rate limiting demo. And for the existing API, we're just going to use the get endpoint for http://bin.org. We're going to use pass-through authentication. And then we're just going to accept the defaults for the rest. Okay, now you can see our endpoint has been created. Let's go ahead and click into that. And let's go ahead and show you that the endpoint is working by using the trace function built into Apigee Edge. We will start a new trace session. And then we're just going to send our gateway a couple GET requests. And we can see that the status code we're getting back is 200. Okay, we'll go ahead and stop that trace session. And let's go implement our spike arrest policy back in the Develop tab. Click on Pre-Flow and Add Step. Select Spike Arrest Policy. Here we can see the spike arrest policy has been added up top, as well as some of the XML that we're going to be editing to implement our spike arrest policy. Now here at the rate, you can see that it's rate limiting at 30 per second. We're going to go ahead and change that to 3 per minute for the purpose of this demo, and we're going to click Save. Revision 1 has been saved. We're going to go back to the trace tool and we're going to show you how that endpoint has now been modified. We're going to send a couple more GET requests. And you can see that we're now getting 429s pretty consistently from our endpoint, meaning that the spike arrest policy has been hit. Thank you for joining, and be sure to watch the next video in this series where we will look at adding a user quota to this endpoint.